Hello guys, in this video I will actually show you a website that I found out on internet which allows you to use unlimited AI models such as Claude, GPT, Quen. All the AI models are present. It's called as Creative Arena. So if you simply write Creative Arena AI, the very first website which comes, this is called as contra.com, and right here you can actually compare different AI models together. Once you land on this website, this is a website contra.com/creative arena. So right here you can simply sign up using your Google account. It's totally free website as opposed to other websites which charge you subscription fees. So it's completely free website. So once you click the sign up button, you simply redirect you to the dashboard area. So you simply just click on create your account. So you can see it's totally free here. You can start for totally free. It also have a pro plan as well, which gives you $17 per month, but we will stick to the free option right here. So now here you it also maintains a leaderboard section as well, where it compares different AI models. You will see that it supports leaderboard section where it actually shows you the top popular models overall. You will see that image generation, video generation. You will see video generation models also. It's a view 3, and then we have image to image, image to video, coding models. It Gemini, Claude, GPT. So it has its own leaderboard section. So right here now you can actually chat with this in the chat prompt. You simply type what sort of application you want to generate. So I will simply say build a image to PDF web app in browser. So right here you simply select what sort of thing you want to generate. You can generate video, you can generate image, you can generate code as well. You can even attach your own images as well. So let me select generate code and simply send this request, and now you will see that automatically it will compare different models. It will automatically pick the model, the best model possible for generating this application for you. So it will generate the overall application instantly. So this may take 3 to 5 minutes. So all the four models are actually generating this at the same time. So in the same way you can generate images, videos as well. It's an ultimate website, completely free website. So you will see model A is finished. So in this easy way, you can compare different models. So once it generates the response, you can actually see which model took how much time. So you will see model B also finished. So it's really fast as well as in comparing the actual application for you. So now the model D is generating the response here. So once it finishes, you will get the response directly. So now if you see, we actually generated this. It actually shows you the live preview of the actual landing page that it has generated. This is a second model. So right here you can prefer left or right. Let me prefer the right one. So again it generates this. You will see that image to PDF landing page. This is a left one, this is a right one. So right here I prefer the right one. So you will see that. So this is actually leaderboard kind of a website where you can compare different models. You can see that. So it has a total of 6 rounds where it actually take this. So you click on next round. So now it actually ranks all these models. So you will see Claude Opus is the number one model, then Gemini, then GPT, all this. So in this easy way, this is the first. You can see this is a winner here, which is Anthropic Claude Opus, Claude Sonnet, which actually second one comes right here. So it's a really perfect website if you are wanting to compare different AI models. So in this easy way, you can do this. You can even create images as well. So if you simply want to say, now this time I want to create an image. So I simply send this request. So definitely check out this website Creative Arena. It has all the AI models directly.